Good morning, everyone. Oh my god. Welcome to the birthday vlog. I'm a little bit hyper right now. I just woke up. It is August 15th, 2022. I was about to say 2003. Nope, that was when Yaga was born. It is my birthday today, so it is the annual birthday vlog. I've been filming these for ages, so of course I'm gonna film my birthday. I'm currently in Italy, so if you haven't been paying attention to the videos, make sure to go watch them all. I've already got another Italy vlog up. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready right now because we're going on a boat today. I booked like a private boat to take us around Positano and I'm freaking excited, so let's get ready. Alright guys, I don't know what to wear. Like, do I wear this skirt? Birthday breakfast! Alright guys, this is my first course for breakfast. I got some watermelon, a waffle, and I have syrup on, and like this cute little muffin. Alright guys, we're currently on the ferry and we're approaching Positano. You might be like, why? Slight problem. So I thought the boat for today was picking us up from Sorrento, because that's where we're staying, but it was actually picking us up from Positano at 9 and it was 8:30 and we were still in Sorrento, and so yeah, completely different islands. So we quickly ran down to the port and we have gotten on the ferry to Positano. So we're like an hour later, or like 45 minutes later, but that's okay, we still have heaps of time on the boat. Yeah, we're currently on the way to, well, we're literally, I don't know if you can see, there are all the houses there in Positano, and our driver, I'm pretty sure his name is Francesco, is
Angelo.
She thinks it's Angelo.
See who's right.
Imagine it's like Giuseppe or something.
Sounds like Salvatore.
Oh yeah, we're not happy with Salvatore. So yeah, and then we're gonna be on the boat for my birthday. Okay guys, currently on the boat. This is what we're looking at. Whoop, whoop. Alright guys, so that is Amalfi Coast. We're stopping there for lunch soon, but right now we're driving into Trani, which is like a smaller town on the Amalfi Coast. So yeah. Okay guys, we just got off the boat. We're currently in Amalfi. We're gonna get some lunch. Alright guys, we just stopped for lunch. Our pizza is here. Looks so good. Okay you guys, we're just waiting for Francesco to pick us up. Saying goodbye to Amalfi. Guys, Positano is actually just the most gorgeous place ever. Positano, as you guys can see, and then this is the beaches like in Europe. Basically they have like this, and that's all free beach. That's like all like rock. It's like stuff, because all the other beaches are like beach clubs that you have to pay for, but it's all rocks and pebbles. Alright guys, we're in Positano right now. I have no idea what I look like, so just mind that. Oh, it's a crepe stand. Alright guys, oh my god, it looks like I have a comb over. What is that? Don't even mind the hair guys. We just got off the ferry. I'm putting sunglasses on. It doesn't help the situation. So we're back in Sorrento right now, so we're gonna walk up and I'm gonna have a shower and exfoliate all my tan, because I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually disgusting from like jumping in and everything. And then we're going to, we need to stay up till 11 because of fireworks for my birthday at 11. So that's the plan. Isn't it, Mum?
It is. Yes, I paid a lot of money for them.
Alright guys, update. I just had a shower and tried to exfoliate all of my tan off because it was crusty. And I'm not gonna lie, I get super self-conscious without tan, and I really want it to be tan for tomorrow because we're going to like a really nice place. But I'm just not gonna have time to re-tan tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna like try and make myself look cute without being tan, but if you guys know me, you know I absolutely hate not being tan. To think I would ever not be tanned on my birthday, and the fact that I'm in Italy, if you told me that like yesterday, I would have said no. Not even like a year ago, I'm talking yesterday. But we didn't plan the tanning window very well, so yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna go out and get some dinner I don't even know if I'm hungry, but it's my birthday. Also, sorry if I don't seem like woo, because I'm super tired. We had such a big day today. But yeah, I don't look too bad. So yeah, tomorrow I'm really excited. We're going to like 2 places that I really wanted to go to. And that's why I'm like, ugh, that I'm not tanned. But it's okay because I'm going to do a fresh tan for Venice because we're going to Venice next. So yeah, I'm basically ready right now. Right guys, we're in the streets of Sorrento now. It's currently like 8:16, so we're going to get dinner. Everyone's like eating dinner and stuff. Everyone in Europe like eats dinner so late, like literally like restaurants don't even open till 7, and people eat dinner, especially like even in Paris. I think Paris is even later. Like they don't eat dinner till like 10 p.m. at night, which is crazy. I'm like in bed by then. So this is pretty late for us, but it's still stunning. Okay guys, I forgot to update you, but we just got some pasta. So I obviously got pappardelle bolognese, mum got carbonara, and we're just like, it's a really nice dress. We're just like around the streets. So we just finished eating dinner. It was really good. Mum actually finished her carbonara today. How did you rate it? Don't want in it? Okay, mum doesn't want to be in the video, but she finished it. How did you rate the carbonara? She loved it, and she actually cut all that out of me then. Sure. Mum just made me cut out all of her stuff that she spoke because she wanted to fix her hair. But she finally finished a meal, and it was her favourite, she said, so that's good. I think I'm going to get a cannoli because they have them here. I'm not like super hungry, but it's my birthday and I feel like you need cake on your birthday. Dinner, and I just found these bottles and I found one with my name on it. There we are, Caterina. That's my name in Italian if you guys didn't know. Giovanni, that was my nonna's name. Ooh, Giulio. I wonder if they have my nonno's name. His name was Biagio. Let's have a look. Salvatore. That's so funny. I don't know if you can hear, but someone's singing. And so we're waiting for the fireworks to go off. It's like 10 something now. And they were literally just giving out free watermelon everywhere. And they were dancing and stuff. I'll insert a video. Oh my god. It's like Italy have done this just for my birthday. Like watermelon is like my favourite food. I mean, they definitely haven't. But I'm just going to tell myself that. But we're just walking around now. Which way are we going to go, Mum? So yeah, we're waiting for the fireworks. They go off at 11, so we've got a little bit longer. This is Sorrento by night, but we're just sitting over here and waiting for the fireworks. The next morning we slept in. It's like 11 o'clock and we have dinner reservations, lunch reservations I mean, at 1 at the famous lemon tree restaurant because we couldn't get dinner, and I wanted to look really cute and get a photo, but I'm pale. So we're gonna do mission look cute pale. Never done this before, guys, so pray for me. Alright guys, I usually never wear makeup when I'm pale, but I think I made it work, kind of. But I'll show you the dress I'm wearing. I've worn this a million times before, so you've probably seen it. It's this Jagger & Stone Lee dress. It is literally the most flattering dress. I can literally wear it anytime. And the back is super cute. I think I'm going to tan tonight or tomorrow night. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Maybe tomorrow night. I just can't really be bothered tonight. Okay, you guys, we're out in the streets right now. We're about to walk to our lunch location. I've wanted to go to this restaurant for ages because it's super duper popular here in Sorrento. It's like the lemon tree restaurant that you've probably seen everywhere on Instagram, so I'm super excited. Guys, we're at the restaurant. This is like the garden. It's stunning. This is the food menu, and then this is the wine menu. Alright guys, my gnocchi's here. There's Mum, she got veal something, potatoes, masala. Alright guys, we're in the lemon garden of the restaurant. It's so pretty. We're back from lunch and I thought I would show you what I picked up. I've wanted these for ages, so I went past it and finally got it from a really cute little town. So this, you can't even see, but I'm going to insert photos because she wrapped it up for us. But this one is for like a spoon holder. And then this one is a pasta measurer. It is literally this cutest thing. It has like the lemons and stuff on it. I really want to get a bowl as well. I literally want to get everything. Like they have bruschetta plates and stuff, but one, like I just would never be able to get it back to Australia. Like this, I'm just hoping these don't break. But yeah, they're literally the sweetest things, and I'm so excited because I feel like I'm gonna have these forever. Hello guys, so it's currently like 5 o'clock and I'm a little bit hungry now after lunch, so I'm going to head to the supermarket and just grab some like fruit and snacks. Both me and mum have decided that we're not going to get dinner tonight. Like we're not going to go out for dinner tonight because the past few days we've been going out for lunch and dinner and we're just a little bit sick of it. I'm more just like, I just need some like fruit and vegetables in me because I've just been having pizza and pasta constantly and I just haven't had a vegetable in me or a piece of fruit. Actually, I've been eating a bit of fruit, but I haven't had like a vegetable in me, so I'm like, I need some veggies. Mum can't say has ever said in her life she needs some veggies. She hates vegetables, but she is just like, I think a bit over pizza and pasta, which I'm not over it. I'm just like, I need a vegetable. So yeah, also save some money because it is expensive to eat out every single day, twice a day. So I'm gonna go to the Italian supermarket that's right near our hotel. We are staying at Hotel Michelangelo in Sorrento, by the way, if you wanted to see it. I love seeing like different countries' supermarkets. It's like my favorite thing ever. So I'll show you guys. I don't actually know if I've already showed you, but it's the hotel we're staying at, Hotel Michelangelo in Sorrento. And this shop right next to it, right here, is where I bought the souvenirs from, the plates and stuff before that I showed you. Okay guys, I just walked into the supermarket. There's like all their milks and like that's their cold stuff. There's so much like cheese and like all their pastas and stuff, cereals. They literally have like a Nesquik cereal, which I actually, Oreos. So yeah, I just thought that would be fun to show you guys. This is the fruit section. This is like my favorite part. This section, so I'm actually just gonna grab a watermelon. Hey guys, I'm back, so I'll show you the fruit that I got. I got a watermelon because that's my favorite fruit. 2 peaches and 2 nectarines. And then I got these because I'm pretty sure they're figs. Like their version of figs. And I had some in Greece and it tasted so good. So I'm hoping it actually is figs. And I haven't just bought something random. Let's try. They are figs. They're like a different kind than the one we have back at home, but these ones are so much sweeter. No, they're unreal. Okay guys, I'm gonna try and low-key vlog for you. But we're currently at a really, really posh hotel on the terrace. I will show you guys. I'll insert some photos because I can't, it's like dark now. It's low-key really expensive, but I really wanted to come here. So I'll give you guys a quick span. Right, so there's like statues. We just had an aperitif. They gave you some nuts and chips and some olives, but I feel like every place in Italy basically does that. So yeah, this is the view. They have all the statues. There's a lady playing the piano over there. She's like amazing. But yeah, it's literally the most stunning view. I wish I showed you when the sunset was on. And it's really awkward because there's like a minimum spending, and like anywhere you come for a restaurant and stuff, or like just come for drinks, it's like kind of like low-key rude if like there's 2 people and like only my mum is ordering a drink. I don't drink alcohol and I don't drink soft drink or anything like that. Mum always has to order a Coke and a wine, like for both, for her as well, so it looks like I'm drinking, so it's really awkward. But alright guys, I just went and bought a bowl. I'm so happy. I don't have a photo of it, I realized, but it's the cutest. Actually, I do have a photo of it. I'll insert it. Our last time walking the streets of Sorrento. Oh my god, it is. Yeah. It's so gorgeous. We're gonna go to bed and get up. Oh, there's a cockroach. Watch out, Mum. So yeah, we're gonna go to bed and then we have to get up early tomorrow because we are flying to Venice. So I'll probably end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will speak to you guys in Venice. Thanks for watching my birthday vlog for the I don't know how many years I've done this, but yeah, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Love you guys.